This is my 2000 Grand Am GT with a supercharged 3.4 liter V6 with what I think is rod knock. A little bit of background: the engine was rebuilt 2,400 miles ago. I just started hearing a knocking noise from it recently. A lab analysis of the engine oil revealed twice the normal amount of iron and copper and about 10 times the normal amount of lead and tin. It's a pretty good sign that one of the bearings is going bad. Makes a knocking noise above 2,000 RPMs, revving with the engine unloaded. And I'm pretty sure that's rod knock.